How do y'all like that camera mount? Alright, this is 5 pounds. One turn on the boost controller is way too much. Oh no. That's what that loud pop was. At 7 pounds of boost only. I thought it was lean. But it looks like this, which was ran all the way down here. I don't know where the rest of it went. Somehow it sucked itself in there. And that's what I get for running this that close and not putting a screen over this. Good thing this was a cheap turbo. No more fun for now. Are you kidding me?
Oh wow, look at that.
It's perfect. Well, in conclusion, don't put anything in front of your turbo that it might possibly could suck in there. Even if you think it can't, because it might can. Obviously. But seriously though, I'm glad it's not a $900 or a $1,000 turbo, because that would not be good. So I'm gonna order another one. It's a GT45. It was like 170 bucks. I think I looked just a minute ago on eBay. $170 shipped. I mean, that's cheaper than pretty much anything else you can buy for the car. So of all things to mess up, I'm glad that's all it was. Motor seems to be fine. So I'm gonna get another one coming, and hopefully I'll get to drive it more than 3 times. And also need some tires. So I need to get some of those coming too. But thanks for watching, guys. God bless.